Yeah, hi there, Michele in Italy. It's Mark FMAV, just to let you know that I've done your laser for you for your system. Basically what I've done is I've put in a new laser for you, and I've put in another head for you. So it's all working on that now. So you can see here, I'll turn this up in a second. But yeah, what I've done, there's your part there, what you sent to me. Okay. I've done that last night for you. Yeah, so basically I've changed the laser for you. I've given it a good service, a good clean up. It was, you know, in all honesty, it's pretty good condition. It weren't in bad condition. It didn't look like it said, you know, tons of use out of it anyway. But let me just turn that up so you can hear it playing. Can you hear that? Ground control to Major Tom. Yeah, so let me just turn it down and I'll show you something else. Let me just turn that off. Okay, because you had no top part here. Okay, what I've basically done, okay, is I've put a top part on. Okay, you can take it off anytime you want to take it off. But your CD will fit on there like that, okay, and you're going to need this, you know, like you've got a clamp that goes on top, because if you play it now it won't work. Watch, see that, it just slide. But if you put that on like that, which is like a magnet thing that you've got or you should have, you know, you can see it going straight in now. So that's playing as it should be. You can hear that, listen. So you can hear that coming out through the speakers now. Okay, so hopefully you're happy with that, because there's nothing more, because I can't get them parts. Them parts are really hard to get hold of now because they don't make them anymore, and I've not got any spares or anything the same that you had. I mean, these are just these are, you know, the parts that come on, like, you know, the units when you buy them. But you know, they've got different heads. You can put about 3 or 4 different heads on these. So, okay. Alright then. Well, thank you very much, and I hope you're happy with this. Many thanks.